Good morning. Today we are going to see encoder. First let us define what should be encoder. After that let us design one encoder. Okay. What should be encoder? You know what should be code. Coding, decoding, you know. Okay. Now encoder means already you know computer understand binary number only. Computer understand binary number only. But we are dealing decimal number, alphabets and some symbols. Therefore, we have to feed this decimal number and alphabets, everything to the computer. Okay. Now these data are fed to the computer. That is, we are coding alphabets, decimal number and other symbols to the computer. That process is called encoding. The circuit which encode the alphabets, decimal number is called encoder. Okay. That means we are giving the data and it is going to the computer as a binary number only. Okay. In encoder. Here it is a simple circuit. Okay. This simple truth table we are going to design simple circuit. Here this is octal to binary. This is octal to binary encoder. Okay. Octal means already you know. Octal means it is 8. Binary means here octal to binary, that means you know 0 to 7. 0 to 7 means 8. That means we require 3 variables. Therefore it is 3. Therefore 8 to 3 encoder. Now what is meant by input, what is meant by output? Already you know. Here in encoder more inputs will be there and output will be less. Here you can say 2 power n input and output will be n output. Okay. Now here you see 2 power n means 2 power 3 8 and here n means 3. Therefore it is a octal to binary encoder. In the encoder we have 8 input, but at one time one input will be 1. Okay, that means only one input will be high at one time. We cannot give many input. At one time only one input is high and that input is generated as a equivalent binary number. Okay, understand? Here octal number is there. Octal number means 0 to 7. Okay, total 8. Here D0 to D7. These are all the inputs. Okay, here also I have given decimal number, but it is not required. To understand, I have given this. Okay, now 0 means D0. Okay, will be the input for that. Okay, I am not giving okay any 0 here. D0 means this is 0 in decimal, or you can say octal also. Okay, that means out of these 8, this will be 1. Okay, and all other inputs are 0. And for decimal 1 or octal 1, we can say octal only because it is a octal to binary. Therefore, for this octal 1, D1 will be activated. That means D1 input is high. Okay, that means total 8 inputs are there. Total D0 to D7 inputs are there. Now this is 8 by 3 encoder, octal to binary encoder, and here 3 output will be there. Okay, this is the simple block diagram. Now for 2 this will be the input and 3 this will be the input. That means the inputs are diagonal, all others are 0. Okay, now the output will be equivalent binary. For 0, 0 is the binary. For 1, 0, 0, 1. And for 2, 0, 1, 0. Up to 7, 1, 1 is the equivalent binary. That means when you press 0, this number is generated. When you press 2, this number is generated. When you press 7, this number is generated. That is the concept of encoder. Now how to design circuit for this? Now for every circuit we require truth table. Now we have defined what is encoder and we have prepared the truth table. Now we have to write an equation. Okay, one by one step. Now equation for this, three variables are there, A, B, C. Now for this variable A, how many high values are there? How many ones are there? You have to find out. Okay, here 4 ones are there. Now this one belongs to which value? D4. Or here this one is generated for this D4. D4 has 1 and D5 has 1, D6 has 1 and D7 has 1. Okay, that means this one is generated for this. Okay, that means here what is the value? This is D4, D5, D6, D7. Okay, that means we have to write the variable A equal to D4, D5, D6, D7. You understand now? Because this is the variable 1, 2, 3 output variable. Okay, now these ones are equivalent to here. Okay, now you have written this. And for B, how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this belongs to 2. Okay, that means binary number. You can easily understand. This belongs to binary 2. This belongs to binary 3. That means D2, D3, D6, D7. And what about this C? It is alternately 1, 3, 5. Therefore, D1, D3, D5, D7. Now we formed 3 equations. After that, it is very simple. You have to design circuit for that. Okay, I erase this. Circuit is very simple. Okay. Now, how to design how many inputs are there? 0 to 7 inputs. That means D0 you write and D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7. Okay, these are all the inputs. That means at one time, one input is high. Okay, out of 8, only one input is high. Now these are all the input lines. These are all the input lines. Now see, all are independent variables only. It is not, there is no requirement for the AND gate. Therefore 1, 2, 3, 4 times are ORed. Therefore you require OR gate. Therefore you put OR gate here. You put some big size OR gate because 4 inputs are there. Okay. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. Now you have to simply connect D4. You have to connect D4 and D5, D6, D7. Okay, very simple. Okay, and this is the A input. And for B input, again 4 will be there. Okay, D2, D3, D6, D2. Now you connect D2, D3, D6, D7. Now this belongs to B and C. Again, this is D1, D1, D3, D5, D7. This is your C input. Now what about D0? D0 is for 0. Okay, that means all the outputs are 0. Therefore, it automatically it will be 0. Therefore, these are all the input, these are all the output. Okay, this is the simple diagram for the octal to binary decoder. In next class, let us see decimal to binary decoder. After that, let us see priority encoder. Thank you.